Chong's way back here. There you go. We're gonna venture on down this way whenever he gets through with these sticks. Alright, here's another area where the trees are. Living around here, there's a lot of different areas that are very cool to explore. You don't have to go very far, and you have nature at your doorstep. It can be very cool. Alright, we're coming back from the forest area where we got that really cool big bird. And we're going to attempt to cross the street and get out of here. But here was this tree area that's very nice. And here we are. We're going to go ahead and cross the street now.